Have a day off? Wondering what to do in the weekend? Well, the tourism of West Bengal has arranged a plan for you. A heritage river cruise on the Hooghly River while enjoying some historical landmarks of Kolkata at just Rs 39. The cruise generally operates at 4 pm and 6 pm on weekdays and 12 noon, 2 pm, 4 pm and 6 pm on weekends and holidays. You cannot buy the tickets online or from anywhere else. They have to be purchased from the counter at the Millennium Park. Give you some details of the tour. The ride will begin from the Millennium Park jetty and then move north towards the Ahori Tola Ghats along with the eastern bank of the Hooghly, and then take a U-turn along with the western Ghats towards the second Hooghly bridge and then back to the starting point. The total trip will have a time duration of 90 minutes depending on the time you are selecting to start the journey. You can get a complete list of the places that you are going to see from the cruise. I would recommend you to take the 4 pm jetty so that you can see all the places properly and also see the sunset and also see a bit of the lightings of the Ghats. So as you can see, I have reached the destination and I saw people waiting there. I don't know, in a queue. I don't know for what reason, but there is no reason for you to wait in a queue. You can just wait there and the line will start and you can board the jetty. There's a capacity of 150 people. So if it's full, they will not give you the ticket at all. So after the thermal checkup for the COVID situation, I started going towards the jetty. It's the same bridge that you have to cross to take the normal jetties that go to Howrah. You can see people rushing to catch their jetties, otherwise they might miss the trains and all. So one final check of the tickets and we are ready to board the jetty. As you can see that the jetty is lit very well and it looks beautiful when it's traveling through the river. As I mentioned, there's a capacity of 150 people on board. So there's a lower deck and an upper deck. You can access both the decks whichever you want. Most of my journey I was in the lower deck because the upper deck was too crowded. So I'll show you around a bit and so that you can get an idea. As per your choice, you can enjoy some light snacks on the River Cruise Cafe. These are not included in the ticket. As I went on a weekday, I was not sure if the boat was with its full capacity, but I could see that there are plenty of chairs, but most people would like to enjoy the ride standing. And there's ample amount of space to sit or stand and enjoy the river cruise. And I must also mention that the whole boat is sanitized with proper washrooms and the passengers have to wear the masks all the time. As I mentioned, most of the trip I was in the lower deck, so I'll just show you around the upper deck how it looked. As you can see, there are proper seating places and all. There's a selfie section that you can see and it's very beautifully lit up for the occasion and you can take great pictures in there. I did not take any pictures because I was busy shooting and my battery actually drained, so I did not take much of the footage here, but you can understand how it can feel. I will also be sharing some raw footages for you to get the actual feel of the ride, and you can see why I asked you to travel during the day so that you can see all the locations properly, but in the night it's a different feeling.
Armenian getting over.
Though I have done this many times before, but every time I get on a boat on the River Hooghly, it's a different experience that I can't describe. I am sure that you can relate. If you are free this weekend or any other weekend, you can just go and enjoy and have a great time. So till the next video, bye bye.